Welcome to tonight's video. When do I cut my new grass seed? So let's just have a quick recap. We did our final levels, put our seed down with the Scott's rotary spreader. We then raked it in for the final time, gave it a good watering. Then we put our fleece sheets on and then covered it with a blue tarp to try and get that seed growing a bit faster. 4 days later, we are taking the blue sheet off because the seed has started to grow and we don't want to smother it. As you can see there, we've got nice green tips in just 4 days. So we leave the sheets on for a few more days just to protect from wildlife and just to keep that heating, because the grass will still grow whilst the sun can get through the white sheets. So Sunday the 15th of August, I'm taking the white sheets off because there's plenty of growth now and the chances of wildlife digging that up are quite slim. We sprayed our Stella, compost tea and a little bit of liquid nitrogen, and join me 3 days later to see the result. So we're back. It's 9 days after seeding and 3 days since we put the Stella, compost tea and a little bit of nitrogen on there, and it's come up trump. So we're ready for a cut now. So I'm just going to get the Bosch rotic out and then we're going to cut it. And I'll show you how short I'm going to go. Right, I've got it on number 2 on the settings there. I can drop it down another one. So I'm going to go over it on that one first just to see where we're at with it. And then I'm thinking about dropping it down to number 1. Because it won't do any harm at this early stage. If it was like 8 weeks old and you did that, you might have a problem, but because it's only 9 days old, you can get away with a lot more. So the key now is not to damage it. So all I'm going to do is I'm literally going to push and pull, and then we're not turning on the edges, because that's where you're most likely to do damage. So let's put that on for you on time lapse and let's get on with it. Right, so that's on number 2. I am tempted to go on number 1, but I'm not sure, just because it's been a bit wet and it's a bit soft. I think I'm going to leave it just on number 2 and just better the devil, you know, on this occasion. So that's it. Let's go and show you around the back. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, so you can get a lawn like this and be first to know when I've uploaded. So until the next time we meet, cheerio.